lovelies, welcome to DM Fashion Gallery. I hope you're ready for a makeover because this video is a collection of fashionable outfits for chubby, plus size or curvy ladies. Statistically, an average of 68% of women fall under the plus size category who face outfit shopping challenges. So get ready to be inspired by these outfit ideas. Forget about stereotypes. These styles will certainly allow you to look fashionable, as most outfits are aimed at concealing any flaws of the figure while emphasizing the best advantages. Plus size women find it hard to select the best outfits for themselves that fit their body perfectly. It is indeed challenging to purchase the best outfits that fit well and doesn't look heavy at the same time. Outfits can be styled in several ways. Some curvy women like to wear a very simple outfit, and rest of them go for a very stylish outfit that can be worn to parties and other events as well. One needs to keep in mind that whatever they wear should be comfortable. This video also has casual wear styles for plus size ladies. Casual wear is a semi-formal attire that can be worn regularly. T-shirts and jeans is considered to be very casual outfit. Plus size ladies need to keep a lot of things in mind when they are shopping. Outfits can be chosen according to the curves and size. Few ladies are very conscious about their dressing style. Some want modern and stylish dresses for everyday wear. There are different perceptions and preferences of every woman. One might go for jeans and shirts, another might go for a shirt and skirt. It all depends on personal taste. If you are going out, you could wear a loose top with a denim jeans. Choose colors like pink, red, blue, purple, black, navy blue, green, or probably white. Long sleeves are a very good choice as it will hide your arm fat. Try that to avoid glittery clothes. Wear something simple, though you could use accessories if you want to wear jewelry or a statement necklace with it. It's not the number of your tags that make you look good. It is all about how you dress and how you style it. You need to make sure you feel comfortable in your clothes. Plus size ladies can show off their features well. Make the most of your curves. A suggestion to all the ladies is that avoid wearing shapeless garments. Go for the perfect fitting. If you like to wear leggings or skinny jeans, then go for the tunic style ones. Even if the top does not fit you well or is loose, your bottom look will balance it. Appearance matters a lot more than the size, so no matter if you are a plus size, dress up well. You can purchase casual outfits from anywhere. Remember, all it takes is a little knowledge and effort, nothing more than that. The first step to choosing a suitable dress is to identify your body shape. I'll give you some simple tricks you can use to conceal those unwanted places of your body and get a flattering figure instead. First, choose dark colors like black, navy blue, and deep brown. These colors have a thinning effect on the body. You can also go for maxi dresses. There are another great options to try. Try to pick a fabric that gives a sleeker look and play around with prints to trick the eyes. Also go for A-line skirts and dresses. They should be your new best friends and they never make you fail. They balance the proportions of your body and define your curves. A-line dresses are versatile and flattering choice for full-figured women. It accentuates curves, creates a balanced silhouette, and offers comfort and elegance. With a fitted bodice and gentle flair, it hides areas of concern while highlighting the waist and bust. Crafted with structured figures and fabrics, these dresses shape and smooth your figure, boosting your confidence. So whether a special occasion or everyday chic, the A-line dress is a must-have wardrobe that celebrates your unique curves with style and grace. Another is cinched dresses are highly recommended for plus-size women as they create an hourglass figure by slimming your waist. Just because you have a chubby figure doesn't mean you cannot wear wide leg pants. They are pretty comfortable and they are meant to hide those big thighs. You can pair wide leg pants with different tops, preferably tight fitted, to flaunt a breezy look. A wide leg creates a well-balanced look and can make you look even more structured. You can wear it for traveling, outings, even Sunday brunches. You can wear a figure-hugging sleeveless top in contrasting colors. The type of waistline that is on this picture hides your belly bulge and makes you appear more petite than you actually are. Following the midi knee length rules, such dresses accentuate the bust region, a good option for apple and pear-shaped body types. The maximum fit tailoring of such dresses is the bust level rather than on the waist proper. Do pick an outfit in darker colors for an illusionary slimmer fit. You can style it to cocktail events and then ditch the necklace and wear statement earrings instead. Denim shorts and a black t-shirt should definitely make it to your list of cheap plus size clothing. A comfortable, playful and super hot option that will make you feel comfortable and confident at any place and time. In continuation to the styling tips, let me also tell you some tips that will take your outfit game to the next level. Always try the dress before getting it home. If you go to shop for dresses, try to do some fitting. If you're plus size, try to do some fitting before you take the dress home, because you may just look at it and you feel this should be my size, and then you get home, it's not your size. Make sure that the fit is right and there are no spillages. Invest in good lingerie, which creates a tummy tuck effect. These garments also give a good lift to your breast and glorifies your body. For a fitting look, try wearing a belt that is not too wide. You can go for adjustable ones that works for all sizes. When going for prints, choose vertical lines which make you look taller and leaner than your actual figure. Pay attention to your body proportions and don't hesitate to highlight your bust line, legs and arms. One may ask what color looks best on plus size. Well, it's generally believed that dark shades make a silhouette appear slimmer and lighter colors, on the other hand, create an illusion of a wider body. In reality, a woman should not be scared wearing lighter or brighter colors. Choose clothes that accentuate your body size, figures, and your body shape, and start combining colors and clothes that work best for you. You can also ask what plus size should not wear. And wearing baggy clothes that is too tight, pieces that don't suit your body shape. I mean, some plus size ladies wear baggy clothes because they feel it's going to just cover their body since they are too big. But no, you shouldn't do that. They don't accentuate your waist. All back outfits or tiny prints won't do you any favor. Moreover, wrong undergarments can totally ruin your look. So you should know your body type and stop waiting for that go wait figure eight. Make do with what you have already. Style yourself and look good. Wear what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Start doing that now. You can also wear summer dresses. They're perfect choice to beat the heat while embracing your curves and style. No one cares. Don't look at them. Dress your thing and mind your business. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to give it a thumbs up, like, and share with friends and family, and subscribe. Don't feel bad if you are plus size, but rather feel comfortable in your dressing and make the slimmer ones envy you. Yeah, make them envy you because of your dressing. I'll see you all in my next video, and until then, enjoy yourself. Bye.